on a veggie expedition to learn about different types of vegetables. Get ready to dive into a rainbow of colors and flavors. First up, we have the bold and crunchy bell pepper. Did you know bell peppers come in various colors like red, yellow, and green? They're packed with vitamin C and add a pop of color to any dish. Next, we have the mighty broccoli. These little trees are full of vitamins and minerals that help us grow strong and healthy. Plus, they're perfect for dipping into yummy sauces. Check out this beauty. It's called an eggplant, and it comes in all shapes and sizes. Eggplants are super versatile and can be roasted, grilled, or even turned into delicious dips like baba ganoush. Check out this classic carrot. Did you know carrots aren't just orange? They can be purple, yellow, or even white. Plus, they're crunchy and packed with vitamin A, which is great for our eyesight. Next, we have the mighty kale. This leafy green is like a superhero in the vegetable world, packed with vitamins and minerals that keep our bodies strong and healthy. Plus, it's perfect for making crispy kale chips. Check out these adorable cherry tomatoes. They come in all sorts of colors, from red and yellow to orange and even purple. Cherry tomatoes are juicy and sweet, perfect for snacking or adding a burst of flavor to salads. Let's kick off our expedition with the versatile squash. Did you know there are many types of squash, from zucchini to butternut squash? They're packed with vitamins and minerals and can be roasted, grilled, or even turned into yummy noodles. Next, we have the mysterious mushrooms. These fungi come in all shapes, sizes, and flavors, from meaty portobello mushrooms to delicate enoki mushrooms. They're perfect for adding umami richness to dishes. Check out these crunchy celery stalks. They're not just for snacking. Celery adds a refreshing crunch to salads, soups, and even stir-fries. Plus, they're loaded with water, making them super hydrating. Wow! Look at all these amazing veggies! Each one offers something special for our bodies and our taste buds. Whether it's the sweetness of carrots, the juiciness of tomatoes, or the crunchiness of cauliflower, there's something for everyone to love. Now, let's put our veggie knowledge to the test and create a masterpiece. We're going to mix and match these veggies to make a vibrant rainbow salad. Who's ready to get chopping? And voila! Our rainbow salad is complete! Just look at all those colors! Who wouldn't want to dig into this nutritious and delicious dish? Well, my little explorers, it's been an incredible journey exploring the world of vegetables with you today. Remember, each vegetable is unique and special in its own way, so let's keep exploring and discovering together. Here's to colorful veggies and endless adventures in the kitchen. Until next time, happy exploring!